Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. If you've been with me for a while, then you remember these beautiful mirrored bookends that I made last year using Dollar Tree acrylic reindeer. I was lucky enough to find more reindeer this year, and here's how I used them. The first thing I did was glue half-inch foam board between two Dollar Tree mirrors. Here, I'm repositioning the black foam tabs. I like to use these to avoid scratching my glass tables. Next, I covered up the perimeter of the foam board with Dollar Tree disco towels. These towels are self-adhesive, but I'm adding additional glue to help keep the towels in place over time. Next, I added a Dollar Tree glass candle holder and my acrylic reindeer. I prefer to keep my design super clean and simple, so I've opted to simply add a mirrored collar to my reindeer. I allowed my design to dry overnight, and here's how my new reindeer candle holder turned out. For idea number 2, we're using these glass jars also from Dollar Tree. I used a strong adhesive to glue one of the reindeer to the top of my jar lid. 30 minutes later, I took this out to a well-ventilated area for 2 coats of gold metallic spray paint. Once my spray paint was completely dry, I added 2 thin coats of this Dollar Tree acrylic gloss finish. Next, I added gold Dollar Tree rub-on letters that I already had at home. To the inside of my jar, I could add a number of things, including potpourri, Christmas candy. I could even make a beautiful Christmas candle. Since these jars are food safe, I'll likely make a set of 3 to use in my kitchen, but for the purposes of this video, I've added some simple cotton balls, and here's how I did number 2 turned out. For idea number 3, I'm making a beautiful jar lantern. Here, I'm using Dollar Tree hairspray to coat the inside of my jar with iridescent white glitter. I poured out the excess glitter, allowed it to dry for about an hour before adding a second coat of the hairspray. To the inside of my jar lid, I'm adding Dollar Tree wire lights. And here's how my new reindeer jar lantern turned out. Again, this design is super simple, but you can add as many or as little embellishments as you'd like. Here's a second version of my jar lantern that's a bit more whimsical. I absolutely love how all 3 Christmas reindeer projects turned out. I think they're beautiful, but what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. Which one is your favorite? I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, Dazzlers, bye.